In this video you will learn find actual stress development, how to find actual stress developed in the your beam. So in this case, given data is dimension of beam, that means B and D and clear cover or nominal cover is given. Number 2, area of steel or diameter of the bar is given. Number 3, external load or bending moment is given. Number 4, grade of concrete and grade of steel is given. Yeah, these are all the given dimensions. Now how to find out procedure? If external load is given, then you have to find out the bending moment. This is for WL square by 8 for simply support beam, WL square by 2 for cantilever beam. Okay. Number 2, you have to find out permissible stress, that means sigma CBC. Number 3, you have to find out the actual neutral axis, that is Bn square by 2, that is equal to M AST D minus N. Number 4, calculate maximum bending moment by using this WL square by 8, WL square by 2. Then you have to find out where external moment equal to moment of resistance, and using sigma ST formula, and then for find out the sigma C, you have to apply the sigma ST value in this M into sigma C by sigma ST equal to N by D minus N. So this is the process you find the actual stress developed in the beam. So this is very short and simple video. Hope clear to you. In case you have some doubt, do comment in comment section. I will definitely get back to you. And if you find some value from this video, then yeah, definitely like the video and circulate the video to your group and circle. And yeah, for getting this kind of content, subscribe the channel. So next video we'll talk about the design the section, that is the ultimate, and this is the last video. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Till then, bye bye, take care.